We'll wait for another 2 minutes and start the class. Well, fine. As you know, we are doing our Erickson's stages of development. They are 8 in number, and each step has its own adjustments to make. The moment you make the adjustments of that stage, you move to the other stage to complete that stage in a comfortable manner. If you do not complete the previous stage successfully, probably you pass through the crisis of that stage which you have not completed uh, successfully. Plus, you may have difficulties crossing the next stage which follows the previous stage. Okay? And at each stage, the significant others in the society, especially the parents of the child, plays a very important role in his life to help him to, you know, solve the problems of successful, what we call the stages. Some noise in the background. Uh, okay, you're able to listen to me and you're able to see the slides.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we move to the fourth stage. See, as you know, the human being is a social human being. Okay, you cannot stay away from the society. And in a way, you would like to, give something to the society. And this, trait of ours start working right from the childhood. So by the time you reach the, fourth stage, which is called industry versus inferiority, which lasts till about 11 years of age, during this stage, you would love to do certain things for others. Okay? Maybe when you're like father is getting ready to go out, you probably run inside and get his shoes. Okay? Mother comes from marketing. You may run immediately to get a glass of water for her. Your teacher asked you to pick up the books from the, that teacher's room, notebooks. She may say to somebody, but one another child, even before the one whom she had asked, gets up. He goes, runs, and gets the books. Why is this happening? He would love to serve somebody. Okay. Now, when this serving is, approved and it's given value, the person enjoys and becomes industrious in the sense grows up to do something, produce something. Productivity may be useful for the society. Okay. And here, if he does not do that, if the child himself is a bit inadequate and the others also do not encourage him, value his feelings, probably he may start feeling bit inferior to others because he has not done a thing. For example, just take a for example, a class teacher calls different students to do certain kind of things for her. If she ignores one child, what what will the child have? What kind of feeling the child will have? Maybe the teacher does not like me. Hmm? Maybe I'm not wearing that good kind of uniform. Maybe my uniform is not pressed properly. I'm not properly dressed. Okay? To an extent, maybe I belong to a lower class. यानी कि हजारों क्वेश्चन उसके मन में आ जाएंगे. Okay? And the same questioning keeps on continuing with him when he grows up or when he moves to the next stage. So important thing is here that he should have a proper relationship towards the others, and others should also value his feeling. If he does not develop this feeling, then later on in life he has developmental inertia. यानी कि he doesn't want to grow at all. ठीक है? Nor he will contribute anything towards the society. Okay? So this is our industry versus inferiority stage. हम लोग psychologists ही, we do read, but we do not put these things into practical application. Majority of psychologists are the one, जहाँ तो उनके बच्चे बहुत अच्छे निकल जाते हैं, they become like they are quite productive in nature and do well in study wise and career wise. But there are other psychologists also whose children are lagging behind. Okay, तो जो तुम पढ़ रहे हो आज, you should put into practicality. The development of the child, you have to give quite a bit of importance if you want them to grow up to be a healthy individuals. So unsuccessful at this stage of industry versus inferiority leaves people with a feeling of inferiority and no self-worth. Their self-concept becomes bit less compared to the others who have completed this stage in a very successful manner. Here, in this stage only, the child must learn to deal with new skills and develop a sense of achievement and accomplishment. Failure to do so can create a sense of inferiority, failure, and incompetency. Positive resolutions give rise to productive work, success, experiences, and understanding of progress, how they have to progress. And parents' role in this is help children participate in activities where they are successful. Even like they should be encouraged to play with others, with their peer group. Now we reach the fifth stage, which is identity versus role confusion. And the concept of identity is the one for which Erikson is actually known. He had worked on identity crisis, and probably it was his own identity crisis which helped him to work on this concept of identity crisis. Now, the basic conflict at this stage comes, it is around 12 to 20 years. Okay, where you have to, take up the new subjects, whether you're going to the art stream, whether you're going to the science stream, or whether medical or non-medical. Okay, now you may have this. Why do we run to the counselors at this stage? Because you are not able to decide what is your identity, where do you belong, what is your capabilities, somewhere some insecurity, and you feel confused and you take help of others. Which subject should I take? Fine. Now, the basic conflict is identity versus role confusion. The important event is development of peer relationship, and the important relationships are peer groups and social influences. Okay. Yesterday, like I was giving you an example that if you go to the party with your mother and you do not find anyone of your own age group over there, you feel lost and confused. With whom will I go and talk? You may even go out of the room and start watching the natural scene around. Okay, so this is the group where it is very important they should have a peer group. Hmm. They should belong to a group of students with whom they can go and play. Okay, once this friends circle peer group you're talking about, they grow up, and sometimes our friendship continues till the last few years of our life with the same friend. Okay, now the teenager must achieve a sense of identity in occupation, sex, roles, politics, and religion. They should know to which uh, religion they belong to. Okay, and now where if he's a boy, what all things he has to do, if he's a girl, what all. Of course nowadays our things are slightly changed, उसमें नहीं आती, but still the person has an identity that I belong to this sex. There are people वो अपने आप को दूसरे जेंडर में बोलती हैं, जैसे लड़की है मैं करता हूँ, ठीक है. And some of the parents are also, by chance there are only girls in the house, and the youngest one is made to wear the clothes of dress of a boy. Hmm. So such things can disorganize the person identity crisis for that person. They may cause identity crisis for the person. The person does not know कि to which group do I belong. तो कई एक बार ये जो अपने इमोशंस होते हैं ना, दे आल्सो हेल्प द चिल्ड्रन not to have their own identity with their gender. Okay. In addition, they must resolve their identity and direction. That's okay. And then now what happens? Integrated sense of self. For example, who am I in relation to politics, religion, career, life purpose, family, etc. Gives a firm belief in one's self. When you're aware of yourself, you're aware of your own capabilities. Okay, and then you can form the path, which path you can select for your own success. And if the person is meets with failure, can lead up to the repression of aspects of the individual for sake of others, because society has not helped him to find his own identity. Okay, whatever he felt, the feelings, he probably may suppress them or repress them consciously. Okay, and then there is always there he has taken up a job, but he never feels satisfied with that kind of job because he does not identifies himself with that. Okay, all the time feels uncomfortable. So feel, by not identifying yourself with that position, what will happen? You will not be able to give a proper productivity. Okay, there are people who at least develop identity at the later stages of their life. They may be strong enough to come out of that conflict and choose the different occupations altogether for themselves. Okay, so if you happen to meet such people, try to take their case history and find out whether it was the identity crisis during his adolescent years of life. Okay, adolescent years of life is very important because it is the age where lot many physical changes are taking place in the body of the individual. Okay, so he finds difficult to accept his own uh, physical changes, and probably it is the time where you do need guidance from the adults who can take you safely out of this stage of identity versus crisis. Sorry, identity versus confusion. And now, if the person has, positive resolutions, he starts even accepting the others. Like each stage of Freud, uh, you know, has a virtue value. Like for the first stage, it is the hope. The first stage, the virtue value is hope, where the person says, look, I trust others and others will be able to come and help me if I am in problem. Okay. Then comes your autonomy, where you know, the virtue of will is learned there. Where you say, yes, uh, I can do. Okay. Then third is our initiative stage, and we get, you know, the virtue of purpose. Virtue of purpose, that we should be, our actions will be purposeful. And then comes our initiative versus guilt. I told you, they, if it is not successfully done, then they go into developmental inertia. And this stage of ours, which we are doing now, sorry, identity versus crisis, they start accepting the others with their all shortcomings. Then comes our sixth stage, we call intimacy versus isolation. Okay, this is the age. It starts from the age of 20 years, where you like the parents also start talking about getting married and choosing a partner for you. Okay, so यहाँ पर then you have to learn to develop intimate relationship, not only with your parents, even the outside world, your friends, okay, at work with your colleagues. At the same time, you select a partner of your life with whom you have to pull on your life. Okay. Failure to make such connections can lead to promiscuity, exclusively, and isolation. If you're not able to find good friends, you're not able to adjust with people, then you start having a life of isolation. Intimacy, close committed relationship with someone, identity is necessary for intimacy and with others. Positive relations lead to ability to self-disclose with another person. The next year you will be reading about Johari window, where it says how you disclose, how people come to know you. Okay, and that this is the stage where you learn the virtue of love. Now comes our okay, to discuss little more. This stage is based on okay, okay, virtue of love. Then comes our seventh stage, generativity versus stagnation. where the age is around 25 to 60 years. Okay. By this time, mid 30s to mid 50s, one starts to examine life and sees if it is going the way one planned it or did it take a drastic turn. This is where some people take drastic steps and change their lives also. Okay? They may just change over their occupation, may shift from one place and go and settle down somewhere else. Okay? Where it looks as if they are going to start their life once again. This stage is based on the idea that each adult must find a way to satisfy, support, and contribute to the next generation. That's why generativity, like he has to become a model for his children. Okay, leave something for the new generation. Failure to resolve this stage can lead to overextension or rejectivity. Rejectivity may be from others also, rejectivity may be from within yourself also. Generativity means desire to create things in the world that will outlive you. Yes, there are certain people who would like to leave back certain memories of his. जो हम कई एक बार say it depends upon the person to person and from situation to situation and from capabilities of the individual. Uh, There are certain people जो कोई क्या कहते हैं उसको, कोई मंदिर बनवा देता है, ठीक है, कोई रिलीजियस प्लेसेस के ऊपर कुछ बना देता है, तो वो उसकी कैपेसिटी है, तो वो उसी चीज में अपनी एक जनरेटिविटी छोड़ के जा रहा है, मतलब लोगों के लिए कुछ छोड़ के जा रहा है फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशंस टू कम। ठीक है, अगर ये चीजें उसके अंदर पैदा नहीं होती है, देन ही फील्स कि लाइफ हैज बिकम स्टिल, there is no hope for the life. He doesn't want to do anything. So life starts moving a bit of kind of a depression. Okay. He feels the life has come to stand still. And this is the stage successful, passing this stage leaves you with a virtue of care, for others. And then comes our last stage, integrity versus despair. Towards the end of our lives, we look back and evaluate ourselves. Did we live a good life or did we waste our time? Okay? If we feel like there were many lost opportunities along with way, then depression comes. Okay, now certain people, if you see these people, old age depression, you will feel कि unnecessarily, like though there is no need, but still these people start crying for simple provocations. Now, what is behind this crying? You have to look for. Okay, is it some guilt feeling that he has not lived the kind of life for people? Or there is a kind of feeling where the person says, I have done quite a bit for the society, but I will do again when I take rebirth. There are people who believe in rebirth, and there are people when on the deathbed, when others are feeling sad that person is leaving, may leave at any time. He, instead of he getting counseling, he counsels the others saying, don't worry, I will come back. and जो मेरे काम अधूरे रह गए हैं, I'll come and do that. If you take the things from our Indian society point of view. Anyway, Erickson never said this. He only said the people who had, feel happy about their past, they have done all the duties effectively and have passed almost all the stages effectively, probably they feel quite happy and they are progressive in nature. The one who feel somewhere uncomfortable about the things he has spent his life may feel a kind of depression. Now, it is called ego integrity, and lot of research work has been done on this ego integrity. Ego integrity view that one's life has had meaning and acceptance of one's choice, look back with satisfaction, despair, regret for what one has or has not done with their life, review with anger and frustration. Okay, basic strength they get here is the virtue of wisdom. Okay, this is the age where we start counseling others. ऐसा मत करो, ये करो, वो करो, ठीक है? And our this stage gives us a virtue of wisdom, and old people are always known for their virtue. Okay, now. Research work has been done on, you can also take up certain kind of projects on all these different stages. Now they have what the research found, if it is trust versus mistrust, early strong bonds with mother later were more curious, sociable and popular persons. Okay, if they develop trust with the parents. Then comes our second stage. Research has reported strong identity associated with greater cognitive and emotional functioning in college students. Okay, crisis may begin later than age 12 and continuing process over the lifespan. If you have not formed your firm identity in your adolescent age, you keep on suffering from identity crisis the lifelong. Then comes maturity, high ego integrity, spent much time reviewing their lives. Ethnic identity, ethnic minorities, ethnic identity, significant factors and determining sense of self. मतलब these are the each stage के ऊपर research जो करी है, and this is what the research has given us the feelings. For the importance of early relationship with caregivers, illustrate the significance of successful experience in school, explain that children at different ages have different social needs. It's just kind of, questions you can work on it. You can take projects like what kind of, like you can, correlate two studies where you can check the empathy in the person. Okay, and try to get his back case history from the parents. How was his relationship with the mother? या फिर indirectly करना है, you can see how they perceive their parents and their present empathy level. I have short clippings, but I'll show you tomorrow on the those clippings will summarize the Erickson's stages. Now you can ask me questions any for about 8 minutes. कब तक है हमारी क्लास?
10:30 तक.
10:30.
Ma'am.
Okay, now let's discuss Erikson.
Ma'am, I think we have not discussed the criticisms that have been there in Erickson's theory.
Erikson's theory, the criticisms, wait, let me. Basic criticism, but people have said, he was not very, particular, as Freud and others were particular. He has just given arbitrarily these stages. I just take out.
मैम क्रिटिक की स्लाइड इसी वाली पीपीटी में है।
इसी वाली पीपीटी में ये दिखाई देगी। अच्छा, इसमें जो क्रिटिसिज्म इसने दे रखा है, वो फर्स्ट देश से कि एज आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि एम्बिगुअस टर्म्स एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स, उनका कोई खास उसने नहीं दे रखा है. एंड सम पीपल से व्हाई क्राइसिस, एंड सम पीपल से कि इफ इट्स नॉट क्राइसिस देन व्हाट, and he has only given the resolutions, positive resolution. Then lack of precision, some terms are not easily measured empirically, like it's slightly difficult to measure these uh, concepts. Experience in stage may only apply to males. Somehow other, that's what is observed, but I do not know. Identity crisis may only apply to those affluent enough to explore identities. And like he says, some people are there who never know that they are undergoing identity crisis. Hmm? This only the kind of people who are too intellectual that they may find that they are undergoing a kind of identity crisis. Hmm? And the people who have just learned about it, what is identity crisis, they may not know. So majority of the time, this is not taken care of, identity crisis. And another thing, like his contribution wise, we say he is the only one who says the developmental keeps on taking till the end. Hmm? Whereas the all others authors had stopped it at certain age. Then identity crisis in adolescence, again the same thing. Impact of social culture, personal and situational forces in forming the personality. He is the only one who has given importance to the society as such. See, if you take up the therapies part of our psychology, जो भी अपनी काउंसलिंग है या जो भी साइकोथेरेपीज है, if you take it up, तो उसमें हम एक चीज देखते हैं कि in each therapy, इट्स द इंडिविजुअल को क्वेश्चनिंग करी जाती है. Probably the individual his id is working, no, ego is not working properly. ठीक है. Pathology is within the individual, maybe due to his faulty defense mechanisms. But जो ट्रांजैक्शनल एनालिसिस था, एरिक बर्न, ठीक है, he made social factors to be responsible for the child's या individual's maladaptive behavior. Okay, so similarly here, Eric Erikson, he had made society to be responsible for the personality development. So how the society treats the child. Okay, if at any point if you have to blame anybody, it is you will be blaming society, not the individual. Okay, because at certain age where he was not able to do anything by himself and others were supporting system for him, so the supporting system is blamed for his no proper development in the personality. Any other thing which you have not understood, any stage which you people have not understood? देखो खोल के, so that we can revise. Drill is not there in the class. Hello? Anyone else other than Apurva? Apurva? Sandeep?
जी मैम.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, no
Any
question.
stage, any stage you have not understood?
No ma'am, understood everything.
Yasmin?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा. Any stage?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear? मुझे तो ये स्टेजेस आती ही नहीं थी जब when I was doing my MA. याद करते करते थक जाते थे, भूल जाते थे उसका सीक्वेंस. तो सीक्वेंस ये कैसे याद करोगे? किसी ने कल कोई ऐसे ही बता रहा था कि यू कैन पहली स्टेज क्या है आपकी? ट्रस्ट. सो टेक टी. फिर है अपनी स्टेज विच इज दैट ऑटोनॉमी, ए. और फिर है अपनी टी, ए. एंड देन उसके साथ उसने आई लगा दिया एंड आई को स्क्वायर कर दिया. टी, ए, आई स्क्वायर. ओके. एंड देन स्क्वायर का इंटीमेसी वर्सेस आई थिंक 1 2 3 4 है ये तो, है ना? एंड जी. उसने बड़ा प्यारा सा बना दिया था. उसने कहा ताई जी. ठीक है, तो तुम्हें कभी तुम भूलोगे ही नहीं कि कौन सी स्टेजेस है।
मैम so I have a question. जैसे फ्रॉइड ने जब अपनी थियरीज दी थी तो he talked to a lot of people. उनका जैसे थेरेपी उसने किया and then after that he developed his theory. So was that the case with Erikson as well?
एरिक्सन ने जो ये स्टेजेस करी थी ना, उसने इतनी रिसर्च लगा के नहीं करी। जो
Develop कैसे की फिर, like on the basis of what? Just his observation of other people or just himself?
ऑब्जर्वेशन, इतना मतलब उसने ये नहीं करा था कि डेटा लिया हो एंड वो किया हो। इट वाज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस लाइक it was just a kind of observations, and maybe reading the history, these people they did work. वैसे तो इन लोगों ने काफी काम किया था, and basically this person, his father wanted him to take up medicine, जो उसका स्टेप फादर था, but he moved out of his house. ठीक है, then he came towards he worked with Freud also. And then Anna Freud also he worked, and इन लोगों के students के साथ he was working, and he used to teach also. तो उस process में he had developed these concepts, but his stages, he is not very much known, though we study his stages, but he is known for much of his work on identity crisis. There he took a total interest. प्रॉब्लली उसको आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस ने उसको बहुत ज्यादा तंग किया था, एंड दे से ही रियली ही वाज रियली सफरिंग टू हैव ए व्यू ऑफ हिज फादर, which he was not able to get till the last. And during when he was even going into the school, इसके कलर में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आता था, तो इवन इन द स्कूल लेवल द किड्स नेवर यूज्ड टू accept him. तो इसने जो चीजें इसको ज्यादा हुई तो उसके कारण इसने आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस के ऊपर क्वाइट काम किया।
थैंक यू मैम।
एक आधा और क्वेश्चन सो दैट अपना 5 मिनट और हो जाए। encourage your class to speak, ठीक है, और अपनी अपूर्वा अपनी ड्यूटी दे दो, एक एक दिन किसी और को आने दो आगे।
ओके मैम।
यू बी देयर, किसी एक और को भी आने दो, जैसे आज वाणी इज देयर। अपनी आइडेंटिटी आइडेंटिटी आ गया, अपनी जो आईडी है ना वो चेंज नहीं होती है। 2 आईडीज हैं, जो लास्ट डे है वो तुम्हारी 178 है, जो आज मैंने तुम्हें भेजी थी, थर्सडेज एंड फ्राइडेज, ठीक है, और पहले दिन है वो 6931। Okay, beta, I think people have started joining. I'll stop.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.